Hello YouTube, my name is Jas. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I normally post natural hair videos and some other random stuff, but today we're going to be talking about Pinterest and how you promote your channel from Pinterest for free. So if you're interested in that information, go ahead and keep on watching. Also, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And once we're done with the video, if you like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. All right, y'all, let's get into it. So the reason I'm posting this video is because even though I only have about 200 and something subscribers, I had noticed that some of my videos were hitting over 1,000 views. So I actually checked the analytics on my YouTube page and saw that about 30% of my views were coming from Pinterest. And so I did want to share that with y'all, especially if you're a small YouTuber, on how to gain your audience from Pinterest, and it's free, okay? So just want to give you a background on why I use Pinterest. Pinterest is actually something that people use to get style ideas and for people who do a lot of things like DIY or do it yourself. And so with that audience, people are on Pinterest constantly looking for ideas and constantly on how to do stuff. So I figured, well, if I promote my channel from Pinterest, since I do a lot of tutorials, then maybe I would get some traffic. So how I actually do that is 3 ways. So the first way of how I promote my channel is just merely clicking the share button. So whenever you see your channel and you go to your videos and it says share, it's a little button on the side that says that you can share it to Pinterest if you already have an account and your account logged in. So you can just share your video to Pinterest and it'll create a pin for you with that. What's gonna show up on your pin is your thumbnail that you use for your YouTube video. Now that's why it's very important to always have very catchy thumbnails. So if people on YouTube want to click on that thumbnail, so will the people on Pinterest. So that's actually the first way that I promote my channel, which is the easiest way. The second way I promote my channel is by creating a pin via Canva, and you can use whatever program you have, but what I do is I take pictures from my video and I'll show you an example over here or over here, wherever it fit. But I actually put a title on it and say how to do this or how to do that, showing the beginning process and showing the end that I got on my tutorial. And that way the people say, okay, well, you know, this might be worth looking at. So that will intrigue a person who's actually looking on how to do something for clicking on my pin to take them to my YouTube channel to actually watch the video. So I actually been doing that for a while and been getting great success with getting people to click on my pins that way. The third way that I actually bring traffic to my YouTube channel is by creating a abbreviated version of my YouTube video and placing that on Pinterest. So maybe about a minute I put on my Pinterest page, and that actually gives a person just enough for them to see what your video is about, but not spoil the entire video. So what I'll do is I'll put my video out there and I'll put in the caption, click the link for the entire YouTube video. And so that way, if the person is intrigued in seeing more of that video, they will click that link and then go straight to my YouTube channel. Now, I'll be honest with you, I haven't seen many subscribers come from this method of Pinterest, but I have seen my watch time increase. So watch time is actually just as important as subscribers. I know a lot of people actually focus more on the number of subscribers versus their watch time. And actually, to get monetized on YouTube, you have to have subscribers and watch time. And watch time, I think it's like 4,000 hours versus the 1,000 subscribers. So, I mean, I think it's kind of harder to get the watch time, don't y'all think? But you know, to each his own. So if you found this information valuable, click the thumbs up button and tell me that you like this information. If you would like more information on how to promote my channel, leave a comment. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. All right, y'all, I'll see y'all in the next video.